Alrighty. My next guest comes to us from Franktown, Colorado. Two very talented pigs. We thought you'd like them. Pigs like this only come along once in a lifetime. Please welcome John Vincent and the most talented pigs in the world, ladies and gentlemen. John? Very good.
Are you lonesome? Do you miss?
Right foot up. Simon says hop.
I never thought I'd see a cuddly bird.
Yeah. There he goes. I hope he has a nose for the goal today.
Shoot it.
Ah! You can do it!
Halt! Okay, that was pretty good.
Okay, so first up, this pet is known as the Einstein of Porkville, and when you see what this little piggy can do, you're going to understand why.
His name may be Mudslinger, but don't be fooled. This swine happens to be the world's smartest pig. Think it's hogwash? Look at Mudslinger in action. Not only can he wave hello on command, the pudgy pig is able to weave through his owner's legs, forwards and backwards. And he can bow to the audience. And typically, Mudslinger tops it all off by packing himself away in a suitcase, proving we are one step closer to the day pigs fly.
Stevie Wonder! Okay. Thank you, Bacon! Mudslayer!
Oh, yes. But he is the world's smartest pig, Mike.
All the way? Yeah!
Go home.
There he is. Oh. And the winner is Mudslinger and John Vincent. Come on out, John. Congratulations. How you feeling? Good. Come here, Mudslinger. Mudslinger. Okay, we'll put it on John. The soccer paid off. She's a real Mia Hamm there. Thank you.
Mudslinger is the winner!
$5,000.
The smartest pig in the world! Mudslinger, please go up to the star.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Mudslinger wins the $5,000 from Capital One.
Congratulations to Mudslinger, and thank you very much to all of our pets. It was really tough.
Celebrity
It was really
tour.
tough.